Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide last seen on Telegram. It's pretty quick and simple. So first of all, just open up the Telegram application in your mobile. So last seen will show up when you are looking at messages, and it also shows up in contacts. Basically the last time where you on the app. So if you tap on this pencil icon, now you can see I can see the last seen of all my contacts here. Last seen within a week, last seen recently. So this is the last scene. Now you can go ahead and turn this feature off if you like. So I'm going to show you how. First of all, tap on these three bars in the upper left corner, then go for this settings, and now you have to tap on this privacy and security. And if you scroll down, you can see this privacy option, and you can see the second option, last seen and online. Just tap on it, and now you can see these options, everybody, my contacts and nobody. So if you want to show everybody, you can just select that, and if you want to show only your contacts, tap on the second option, and if you want to hide, just tap on this nobody, and your last seen will be hide. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.